In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos using Grok Imagine in minutes. Whether you're looking to spice up your presentation or create engaging content, artificial intelligence can simplify the video production process dramatically. Let's dive in and see how you can achieve this swiftly and effectively. First things first, open your browser and go to Google. This will be our starting point to access the tool you need. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to type Grok into the search bar. Just press enter and you'll find links related to Grok. Keep an eye out for the official Grok website amongst the search results, and click on it. This will redirect you to the site where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Grok website, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there, and what you need to do is click on the option labeled Imagine. This is the section of Grok's platform dedicated to creating AI-driven videos. By navigating to this part of the site, you've unlocked the tools required for your video creation adventure. Once you're in the Imagine section, it's time to unleash your creativity. You'll need to create a prompt. This prompt acts as a seed for your video concept. Think of it as the initial idea or image you want to develop. For example, you might type, "cat playing with a pig." Feel free to come up with something that resonates with your intended audience or project. After crafting your prompt, you're ready for the next step. Click on the Submit button. This action sends your creative idea into Grok's AI system. In just a few moments, the platform will process your prompt and suggest potential layouts and visuals that align with your initial idea. Following the submission, you will be presented with various templates. These templates offer you a foundation to build upon and customize, allowing your AI-generated vision to truly come to life. Peruse the available templates and choose one that best matches your artistic intent and the theme of your project. Once you've selected a template, the finish line is in sight. Direct your attention to the option that says Make Video. Click on it, and the Grok Imagine system will synthesize your choices and generate the final video. There you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've transformed a mere idea into an engaging AI-powered video that you can now use. I hope this guide has equipped you with the skills needed to utilize Grok Imagine confidently and creatively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights and guides on digital creativity and productivity. Until next time.